How to make perfect coffee buttercream icing. For all those that love coffee, coffee buttercream is the perfect topping for a coffee, cupcakes, macarons, layer cakes, and walnut cake. So, what are we going to do? At the end of this video, you will learn how to do coffee buttercream icing from scratch if you follow each step carefully. What should I know before I start? To get the coffee flavor into your buttercream, you can prefer to use instant coffee rather than stuff made in a proper coffee machine. The simple reason for this is that it's the easiest way to get a really intense flavor into your buttercream. You dissolve it in the minimum amount of water possible to get as much coffee in as you can without making your buttercream too runny. Here are some other tips you need to know. 1. Make sure you leave your butter out of the fridge to soften before attempting to make buttercream, otherwise it'll be tricky to get it really smooth. You can take it out a couple of hours before you are planning on using it. 2. Make sure you let your coffee cool completely before adding it to the buttercream. Otherwise it'll melt the butter. 3. Add the coffee very gradually and beat each addition in before adding more. This will help ensure that you get a nice smooth buttercream. 4. Beat your buttercream on a low-medium speed. It's tempting to turn the speed up high to get it made quicker, but you'll end up with lots of air bubbles. If you can, try and mix it by hand for a really smooth consistency. 5. If your buttercream is still a little too thick once you've added all your coffee, add a little milk to get it to the right consistency. Which equipment do you need before you start? Weighing scales, measuring spoons, knife to cut the butter, a small bowl or cup to mix the coffee and water in, electric mixer or a bowl and hand mixer or wooden spoon, sieve, piping bags and nozzle, if you're planning on piping the cupcakes. What are the ingredients? 250 grams softened butter, 500 grams icing sugar, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons instant coffee granules, 1½ tablespoons boiling water. Here are the instructions. Mix the instant coffee granules, 3 tablespoons with the boiling water, 1½ tablespoons, and then set aside to cool. Cut the butter, 250 grams, into cubes and then beat on a low-medium speed until soft. Gradually add the icing sugar. You add it gradually to stop it flying everywhere and beat until fully combined. Add the vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon, and add the coffee a teaspoon at a time, beating in each addition before adding more. Check the consistency of your buttercream. It should be soft and perfect for piping at this point. If it's still a little stiff, then beat in a little milk. Decorate your cakes.